So for problem number 1, we have a given of T1 313 Kelvin and T3 for 1973 Kelvin. So we have a R of 15 and we need to find the RC. So for our solution, we have a formula of T2 is equals to T1 R over Y minus 1. So we need to distribute. So we have a T1 of 313 and 15 for R and 1.4 minus 1. So we have a T2 of 284.66 Kelvin. And for our RC, we have a formula of V3 over V2 equals to T3 and T2. So we have a T3 and T2, we just need to distribute. So RC is equals to 1973 Kelvin over 924.66 is equals to 2.13 RC. And for our problem number 2, we have a given of BP is equals to 224 kilowatts. MF is 0.0169 kilogram per second and heating value of 44,186 kilojoules per kilogram. And we have a FP of 22.4 kilowatt and we need to find the efficiency. So for our solution, we just need to distribute our BP and FP. So IP is equals to 224 kilowatts plus 22.4 kilowatts, and we have a IP of 246.4 kilowatts. And for our formula of QIN, we have a MF multiplied by the value. So QIN equals to 0.0169 kilogram per second multiplied by 44,186 kilojoules per kilogram, and we have a QIN for 746.24 kilowatts. And for our efficiency, we just need to plug in 246.4 kilowatts and 746.24 kilowatts. So we have a 33% of efficiency. And for our problem number 3, we have a given of 0.1524 meters of diameter and length of 0.254 meter. So our BC is equals to 0.0017 cubic meter. So we are required to find the efficiency also. So our solution is VD is equals to pi d squared L over 4. So we just need to distribute. So we have a pi times 0.1524 meter squared multiplied by 0.254 meter over 4. So we have a 0.004633 cubic meter. And for our R, we have a formula of VD plus VC over VC. So we have a 0.004633 cubic meter plus 0.017 cubic meter over 0.017 cubic meter. And we have a 3.725 R. And for our efficiency formula is 1 minus 1 over R minus 1. And we just need to distribute. We have a 1 minus 1, 3.725 of R and 1.35 minus 1. We have a 36.89% of efficiency.